Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some new coupon matchups and as well as a couple of deals that you can do this week. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, if you have any questions or comments or anything you'd like to share with me, just leave it down below because I'd love to hear from you guys. Alright, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so today we got a lot of new digital coupons on our Dollar General accounts. I have a list here and we're going to go through some of the coupons and match them up with some prices. So before we get into that, I ran to the store this morning, did a couple of transactions that I wanted to tell you guys about. So first off, we have instant savings this week on Craz-E products. So when you buy 2 Craz-E products, you'll save $2. And we also have that Dollar General store coupon from a while back, which was save $2 when you buy 2 Craz-E products. So there was no spend limit on this, so I went out and tried this out. So I picked up 2 of the Craz-E bar soaps. They are $2.75 each. This is the 3-count bars, and these are $2.75 each. So 2 of them made that $5.50, and using that instant savings and then the $2 off made my total just $1.50. So if this camera will focus at all. Nope. There we go. Alright, so total savings of $4. But this deal gets even better if you guys signed up for that beauty bag that we had back toward the beginning of the year. I have a link down below. The beauty bag isn't available anymore, but you can still do the quiz, and supposedly they will send you exclusive beauty coupons, digital coupons. So you can try that. You can only do it once a month, I think. It's somewhere in the rules there. So if you want to go and take that quiz and try that out and see if you get any new coupons on your account, go ahead and do that. But if you receive the beauty bag, we have a $1 off of any one Craz-E beauty bar or body wash product. And this doesn't expire until 12/31/20, so it's a really great coupon. I didn't try it today. I only have one. So I'm going to try it Saturday with a 5 off 25 and see how that goes. So if any of you do this deal during the week and use this coupon, come back and let me know how it goes. I may end up doing it again before Saturday. Who knows? But anyways, if you have this coupon, it will make it just 50 cents instead of $1.50. And the other good thing about this deal is this is a Fetch Rewards product, so you can scan your receipt into Fetch, and you'll get back 22 or 27 points, I believe. There's a total of 55, and I'll pop up a screen here to show you guys that. So if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, you should definitely do so. I'll put my referral code on the screen here. It's a really easy app. You just take a picture of your receipt and send it to them, and you get points back on a lot of different products, and you will earn gift cards with those points. So very easy, probably the easiest rebate app out there. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, so moving on to the second transaction I did. The Ajax, this is the 52 ounce, and also the Palmolive 40 ounce dish liquid is on sale this week. In the sales ad, it says $3, but the Ajax is actually on sale for $2.75. So my store was already pretty low on this product. They still had some Palmolive, but these were literally all the way back on the bottom shelf. So if you want to grab this deal, you should probably do it before Saturday. I have a feeling that this is a stock up price. So we also received a buy one get one free digital coupon. So here we go. We picked up 2 of the Ajax for $2.75 each, and that buy one get one free coupon takes off $3. I'm assuming because the sales ad is saying that these are $3 this week. So it actually took off $3 instead of $2.75, and that left our total being $2.50. So that's a great deal, and total savings of $3. So a really great deal there. 2 really good easy deals that you can do all week long. So there is that. Now we're going to jump into some of the other digital coupons. Alright guys, so jumping into some of these new digital coupons that we received on our account today. I'm not going to go over all of them, but the ones that stuck out to me. So we received this one off of 2 General Mills cereal, and they are priced at $3 each, so picking up 2 of them will be $6. Take off that $1 coupon, you'll pay $5 for 2. Next up, we received this $2 off of 2 Quaker products. Now, the Quaker Life cereal is on sale this week, 2 for $5. If you take off this $2 digital coupon, that will leave you paying $3 for 2. And I just wanted to remind everyone that since we have all of these cereal coupons, we still have this DG Rewards. When you spend a total of $15 on cereal, you will receive a 301 coupon at the bottom of your receipt. I think it takes up to 24 hours for that to load, but just keep that in mind. So the Folgers coffee is on sale this week for $5.95. We have this $1.50 off of 2 digital coupons, so picking up 2 of those will be $11.90. And if you use this coupon, you'll pay $10.40 for 2. And we also received a 1 off of 2 Eckrich brand products. So if you pick up the hot dogs for $2 and you pick up 2 of those, that'll be $4. Using this $1 off coupon, you'll pay $3 for 2. And we also received a pretty good coupon on Huggies diapers. Now they are on sale this week, 2 for $18. And if you use this 3 off of 2 coupon, you'll pay $15 for 2. The Herbal Essences shampoo and styling products that are on sale this week, 2 for $8. We have this 2 off of 2 digital coupon, so that will leave you paying $6 for 2. Now we usually have better deals on this Irish Spring body wash. So these are priced at $4, and we have a 1 off of 1 digital coupon, so that will leave you paying just $3. So only pick this up if you really need it. And the same goes for this Dial body wash. These are only on the larger bottles, which are priced at $4 each. This coupon isn't working on the smaller ones that are $2.75. So it's only working on the $4. So if you pick up one of those, use this $1 off digital coupon. That'll leave you paying just $3. And we also received this new digital coupon for Downy and Bounce. So the Downy is the 90 load and the Bounce dryer sheets are the 180 count. So it is the larger sizes. They are priced at $6.95 this week. So using this digital coupon, you'll pay just $4.95. And we usually get better deals on the all laundry care products. But if you need to pick up this product this week, this is the larger size, the 39 count, all free and clear Mighty Packs. And they are priced at $8. So using this coupon will leave you just paying $6. And on the Playtex Sport 14 count tampons, these are priced at $3 this week. Using this 1 off of 1 digital coupon will leave you paying just $2. And the U by Kotex products, they are priced at $3.25. Using this 1 off of 1 digital coupon will leave you paying just $2.25. And the Carefree liners are priced at $3. Using this 1 off of 1 digital coupon will leave you paying just $2. Now, up next we have the Gain coupons. So these aren't the best, but we'll work with what we have. We still have that 5 off of 30 digital coupon if you haven't already used it. Hopefully we'll get some more Gain coupons in an insert pretty soon, but this is on the larger 90-ounce fabric softener or the larger Fireworks or the Gain Sheets, the 200 count. So they are priced at $6.95 this week. So using this coupon will bring it down to $4.95. And this $2 off coupon is also on the products that are priced at $6.95. So it's for the laundry detergent, the 70 to 75 ounce, or the Flings, the 24 to 26 count. Using this coupon, you'll pay $4.95. And we also received this pretty sweet buy one get one free store coupon. So it will stack with other manufacturer coupons. So buy 1 Gillette or Venus product, get 1 Gillette Sensitive Foamy Shave Cream for free. So I was kind of playing around with this and came up with this little scenario. So if you pick up one of the Venus disposable razors, they are priced at $7. We have a 3 off of 1 manufacturer coupon. And pick up one of the Gillette Shave Foams for $1.85. We have a 50 cents off of 1 manufacturer coupon for that. And stacking that with this BOGO free digital coupon, that will leave you paying just $3.50 for 2. So that's a great deal considering it's Gillette and Venus products. And we also received this 2 off of 1 Bic disposable razors. So if you pick up the Bic sensitive razors for $2.85 and use this 2 off of 1 digital coupon, that'll leave you paying just 85 cents. So here's a pretty good coupon that I haven't seen before. So in the ad, these Ace brand bandages are priced at $4 to $8.50. So if you pick up the one for $4, use this 150 off of 1 digital coupon. That will leave you paying just $2.50. And we also have this Airwick coupon. This is on the twin refills. They are regularly priced at $5. Using this 2 off of 1 digital coupon will leave you paying just $3. So for this coupon, I'm still going to have to kind of play around with it, see what else it'll attach to. But in the app, it's attaching to the Cottonelle, the larger packs that are priced at $12.50. So picking up 2 of those, it'll be $25. Taking off that $3 in instant savings, plus this $5 off of 2 digital coupon, that will leave you paying $17 for 2 of the larger packs, which is still an okay deal. Alright guys, you want to make sure that you have this coupon clip to your account. I'm going to try to come up with some scenarios as the week goes along, but it's save $3 when you spend $10 on any Bayer Health products, and this is a store coupon, so it will also stack with some of the other manufacturer coupons that we have, like the Alka-Seltzer, the Advil, One A Day, and Flintstones. Those are just the ones off the top of my head. So make sure that you have this clip because I think that will come out to be a really great deal. And we also have a coupon for the Ziploc slider bags. So this is 50 cents off of 1. And we also have an instant savings this week of when you spend $6 on Ziploc products, you'll save $1. So if you pick up 3 of those slider bags for $2.75, that will be $8.25. And take off that instant savings plus this coupon, that will leave you paying just $6.70 for 3, or about $2.23 each. So we also received a new Bic stationery coupon. It's save $1 on any 3. And just keep in mind that we still have that $1 off of 1 Bic stationery product. If you guys haven't used that already, make sure that you use that before this Saturday because it will expire. And this is an older coupon, but we have an instant savings on the same products this week on the Dove, Axe, and Suave products. So if you still have some of those BOGO Suave coupons from the Retail Me Not, you can stack that with the instant savings and the store coupon, and that will make it completely free. So I'll have some more detailed breakdowns for you guys later in the week, but just keep that in mind that we do have instant savings this week, and we do have manufacturer coupons, paper coupons for the Axe and the Suave. Alright guys, that's it for me for now, but let me know down in the comment section below, would you guys like to see more of these videos where I kind of go through the new coupons and the weekly ad, things like that, and let you guys have a heads up on what the coupons are, what the prices are that match up with those coupons, things like that. So that's it for me for now. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.